Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark plug boot on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. Remove the wire and boot from the spark plug. Use a small amount of liquid dish soap to lubricate the boot, if still intact. Then pull the old boot off of the wire. Install the new spark plug boot by applying some liquid dish soap to lubricate. Then slide the boot over the terminal. Attach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.